Running an automotive workshop efficiently isn't easy. Delays, miscommunication, and inventory issues can impact both performance and customer satisfaction. Many workshops still face disconnected systems, lack of real-time visibility, inefficient parts management, and limited performance control. This is where a powerful solution like Excellon Dealer Network Management System comes in. Built for the automotive ecosystem, it connects your entire workshop network on a single platform. With Excellon DMS, you can assign jobs, schedule services, and track progress in real time, ensuring faster turnaround. Enable real-time collaboration between managers, technicians, and stakeholders, no more communication gaps. Optimize parts availability, reduce stockouts, and automate procurement efficiently. Gain actionable insights into productivity, turnaround time, and service performance. The result? Higher efficiency, better service quality, and improved customer satisfaction across your dealer network. If you're looking to transform your workshop operations, it's time to explore Excellon DMS. Visit our website or get in touch today.